Let's see. What do I want to do here?
I can bench 150. I'm sad. Wait,
Oh, you're Ben.
they're recording.
Yes, it is recording.
That's why it says recording. Yeah,
It was
it's
gonna work.
Practice test number.
I'm
Two.
totally not sad. That was 100% a joke. I do not have crippling depression and think that my life is worthless in the span of the universe.
Yeah,
That was a lot of
everybody's life
words.
is worthless in the span of the universe.
That's true, actually. I do not think that mine is more worthless.
All right, find your seats.
Oh, why are you touching each other?
I'm not touching. I went like this and she goes.
Let's go. Chop, chop. Find your seats.
Oh, she knocked him open.
All right, we can do this one of two ways. I can either guide you through this, or I can hand it to you. Your choice. We already did the one guided, but we can do it again if you'd like, or I can just hand this out to you and you can ask questions as necessary.
That sounds good. Hand it out. Hand it out.
All right.
Hand it out. Hand it out. Anna, you didn't give your answer yet.
Madison, they have elected for simply for me to hand this to them, and they are going to ask questions when necessary. If you have questions, then you need to send me a chat. A couple quick notice, and this is for Madison as well too. The final will be period 2. Is it the first or second test? Second test. Madison, this is going to be different than other times. Before I've given you a full 24 hours to get it in. There's not 24 hours. There is, well, it's a little bit more than 12, but it's basically when the time window, if we have a second, so the time window starts at about 10 o'clock, I'll post the test, the semester final we're talking about, not the test you're going to take tomorrow. But I'll post the semester final at about 10 o'clock, and you have until midnight to get it done. When you take the test, you have an hour and a half to actually get it done once you start taking the test. Your books are due next week by, what did you just say? I've already forgotten. Tuesday. So your books are due by Tuesday. If you'd like after the test tomorrow, since we're done with the book, to turn it in, I can accept your book. Just don't like, oh, I left your book on my desk or that sort of thing. Make sure you physically hand it to me so that I can grab the sheet of paper. I have to write, cross off your name type thing. So we have to do a physical transfer. That way you are confident that you turned the book in, and I'm confident that you gave it to me type thing. Tomorrow we're going to take the test. Which leaves Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to do semester final review. It'll be just like all the other semester finals I've ever given you. We'll do 2 practice tests, and then you'll take the semester final. And that's it.
But what if you have like a little pitch in your brain where you want to complete all the theorems and corollaries in chapter 14?
Then get that itch resolved.
If you want to do some independent work this week, this summer, I could lend you the book. If you really want to do chapter 14, we didn't miss too much. Chapter 14 only covers a few small items. In fact, I mean, I have the lessons already here, but it's mostly on translations, reflections, rotations, and dilations. Of all of them, it was the dilation thing that was probably the one thing that you've never seen before, and it's pretty simple to understand. You'll get dilations again in pre-calculus, calculus. You will have no problems when you do encounter them again. The concept's pretty simple. So Madison, there is not, since you're not live, there is not much to, unless they ask a question. So I'm going to end the video. If you have a specific questions, don't hesitate to ask. Oh, lastly, when you take the, Madison, you always do a good job of it. When you take the semester final, I don't want you to take a picture of all 12 pages of the test like some kids do. I just want an answer sheet that says A, B, C, D, whatever. So we'll end the video. Did you do it? Yeah.